Ever since ChatGPT was launched on the internet, AI technology has evolved significantly. Perhaps we might be living in an era where one day we might witness AI taking over the world. I have been creating video editing tutorial for a while, but I have to say, you must study these AI tools, otherwise you are going to fall behind. So I couldn't help myself but to make this video to ensure we don't miss out on all the things these AI software program can do. Here are the top 3 AI software tools that you should know as a content creator. Let's get started. Number 3. Sunno AI. I was watching one of XQC's videos, and during the stream, he showcased this AI tool. This AI tool is incredible. You can create trendy music in any language. It automatically creates the lyrics for you, and you can choose or specify the type of music you want to create. Within seconds, you have your own music. It's completely free to use, and I recommend signing up and trying some of their features. I guarantee you're gonna love it. However, if you want to use it for commercial purpose, you need to pay for a pro version subscription. Unfortunately though, it doesn't support creating sound effects. If it did, that would be a total game changer. Still, being able to create a unique song for your video is a huge deal, especially since many content creators rely heavily on music, and finding the right music for a video is often time-consuming and frustrating task. So I plan to give Sunno AI a try. I also watched a video demonstrating how you can earn money from AI generated music. I'm going to spend some time with it to see if it truly works. If you are curious about the result, make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Number 2. Midjourney. Don't get me wrong, there are several AI software options out there that can be equally good as Midjourney. In fact, I used to use Stable Diffusion, which was my favorite at the time. But unfortunately, ever since they start charging for Collab, which is basically an online graphic card service, I stopped using this software. Back then, I need to use Collab to run Stable Diffusion because I'm using a MacBook and it's not optimized for using Stable Diffusion since it heavily relies on a graphic card. This happened several months ago, so I'm pretty sure it has changed by now. But still, after that incident, I lost interest in Stable Diffusion. By the way, if you are a Windows user, you can download Stable Diffusion locally, which means you don't have to pay. So good for Windows user. Anyway, I was looking for a substitute, and I believe that Midjourney is one of the top AI generated art software out there on the market. Recently, Midjourney was updated to V6. I have seen positive feedback from many different content creators, so this is definitely on my top 2 list. There is another similar AI software called Leonardo AI, which could be an alternative to Midjourney. Compared to Midjourney, Leonardo is much more easy to use, making it another popular choice for many people. Now, here's an honorable mention. You guys might laugh at me for bringing this up, but I'm just gonna say it. That is Firefly, made by Adobe. I know, this software is not good as I mentioned above. But still, don't underestimate this software because it is integrated with the Adobe software ecosystem. And recently, there has been a tutorial book on how to utilize Firefly with the other Adobe software. So it is definitely worth mentioning it. Remember, these AI software tools are evolving, so you never know which software will turn the tide in the future. Number 1. ChatGPT. At this point, this software shouldn't surprise you at all. If you opt for the Pro version, you can even ask ChatGPT to manage your calendar or schedules. You can request AI art creation using DALL-E, upload pictures, or get help with your homework. You can even ask ChatGPT to create videos for you. What's really interesting about ChatGPT is that they've essentially created something like an app store called the GPT Store. You can only access these features if you sign up for the Pro version. I have seen many people using these features like a plugin, which is definitely great to know. This is also where you can customize your ChatGPT for specific purposes and needs. The GPT Store kind of remind me of the Apple App Store. Back in the day, it wasn't such a big deal, but once Apple built its reputation, tons of people starting to use the App Store, and some even made money by creating apps for iOS. This could be a game changer for the future of any content creator, or at the very least, it's something we need to pay attention to. That is for today. I'm definitely planning to create tutorials for these AI tools. I would love to test various AI software to discover the pros and cons of each, but to do that, I need your help. I can't do it alone. Support me and my YouTube channel, enabling me to create amazing tutorials and provide feedback for any content creator looking to enhance their skills. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. I will see you next time. Bye bye.